This Dalton Wade Real Estate Group property video is presented by Joanna Cord. $5,000 credit being provided to buyer by seller at closing for upgrades or closing costs. Move-in ready with a new roof, 2024, new interior paint, 2025, newer air conditioner, 2020, newer windows, 2020, and a more recently replaced septic tank and drain fields. Laminate flooring spans the home, revealing original terrazzo underneath, flowing from a spacious living room into a large dining area that opens to a covered patio and fully fenced backyard. The oversized Florida room with its own window unit air conditioner offers a versatile space that could be customized for guests, a home office, a hobby studio, or a personal gym. The bedrooms are generous in size, each featuring cedarwood closets, and a welcoming front porch adds everyday charm to the home. Laundry hookups and second bathroom are in the garage. Easy access to US 19, nearby regional airports, under 15 minutes to the Tarpon Springs Sponge Docks and under 20 minutes to Gulf Coast beaches. This property is ideal as a primary home or vacation rental, with no flood insurance requirements or HOA and CDD fees. For more information,